So good day everyone, I am Hashim Omar. Today I will be discussing to you the Eveline, a short story by James Joyce. Eveline is a short story by the Irish writer James Joyce. It was first published in 1904, September 10, by the journal Irish Homestead and later featured in this 1914 collection of short stories, Dubliners. It tells the story of Evelyn, a teenager who plans to leave Dublin for Argentina with her lover. James Joyce, born on February 2, 1882 in Dublin, Ireland. He died January 13, 1941. Was an Irish novelist noted for his experimental use of language and explorations of new literacy methods in such large works of fiction as Ulysses. The character of Evelyn short story is the main character Evelyn, Frank, Evelyn's father, and Evelyn's mother. The secondary characters Evelyn's brothers and sisters, and Evelyn's neighbors. The priest, Miss Gavin. All these appear only once in the novel, thus their value and relevance to the story are quite scarce because they are not described in detail. Before I discuss the short story of Evelyn, I will read phrase the story. A young woman, Evelyn, of about 19 years of age, sit by her window, waiting to leave home. She muses on the aspects of her life that are driving her away, while in her nostrils was the odor of dusty cretonne. Her mother has died, as has her older brother Ernest. Her remaining brother, Harry, is on the road. In the church decorating business, she fears that her father will beat her as he used to beat her brother, and she has little loyalty for her sales job. She has fallen for a sailor named Frank who promises to take her with him to Buenos Aires. Before leaving to meet Frank, she hears an organ grinder outside, which reminds her of a melody that played in an organ on the day her mother died, and promises she made to her mother to look after the home. At the dock, where she and Frank are ready to embark on a ship together. When Frank is referred to as Eveline's lover, it's only in the sense that they are romantically involved. The word didn't have its current meaning until the 1920s. So, Joyce said that his intention in writing the stories has to reveal the paralysis suffered by Dubliners of the period. William York Tyndall finds Evelyn's inability to leave Dublin with Frank to start a new life the most nearly straightforward expression of paralysis. In the collection, Hugh Kenner finds Frank's success story improbable. He's named to be ironic and argues that his leaving Evelyn alone at the dock shows he didn't intend to take her to Buenos Aires, but rather to seduce her in Liverpool, where the ship is actually headed. It's been noted that going to Buenos Aires was turn of the century slang for taking up a life of prostitution. A further possible reading is that Frank does intend to bring Evelyn to Buenos Aires, but not to make her his wife. So, the summary of a short story by Evelyn
Evelyn by James Joyce is Evelyn is a 19-year-old woman who feels trapped in a dreary and oppressive life. She has taken the role of caregiver in her household after her mother's death. So, looking after her younger siblings and enduring her abuse. Kasi yung ano niya, ah, namatay yung mother niya, siya na tumayong nanay sa mga kapatid niya. Then, siya din, ano rin siya na, victim din siya ng abuse sa kanyang tatay. Kasi ang buhay ni Eveline dito, ni Evelyn, very unhappy. Kumbaga, na-trap siya sa sa malungkot na na sitwasyon. So, demanding father. Despite her exhaustions and desire for a better life, she feels a deep sense of duty and guilt. So, si Eveline, she plans to leave Dublin with Frank. Kumbaga, nag-isip-isip si Evelyn na sumama na lang kay Frank. Kumbaga, ano ba, tanan ba yung, parang tanan ata yung ginawa nila. So, she plans to leave Dublin with Frank. Iniwan nila yung area nila. Pumunta sila doon sa area baga sa lugar sa lugar ni Frank. So, a sailor who promised her a new life in Buenos Aires. Kumbaga, si Frank nangako kay Evelyn na bibigyan niya ng magandang buhay doon sa ano nila, sa Aries. Kaya sumama si Evelyn kasi yung buhay nila sa kanila is very unhappy. So, as she prepared to leave, Evelyn reflects on her past, her promises to her dying mother to keep the family together, and the familiarity of her home even in its unhappiness. So, nagdadalawang isip dito si Evelyn. Habang nag-iimpake si Evelyn sa kanyang mga gamit na dadalhin na para sumama kay Frank doon sa lover niya, doon sa Aries, may pumasok sa isip ni Evelyn, kumbaga yung mga na kasi si Evelyn nangako siya sa kanyang mother na aalagaan niya yung family nila. Kumbaga siya ang magiging tayo, siya ang magiging ina ng kanilang pamilya. So, at the docks, when it's time to board the ship, Evelyn feels overwhelmed by fear, indecisions, and paralyzing sense of obligation. She chooses not to go. She remains motionless and emotionally detached as Frank plans with her. Plans with her. Habang sumakay na sila sa ship, si Evelyn naman ay napahinto siya, then doon na naisip niya na yung siya ang magiging ina ng kanilang pamilya. Kumbaga, yun yung pinangako niya sa mother niya, tapos ngayon sasama siya kay Frank, kaya napadalawang isip siya. So, ang noon ay hindi siya sumama kay Frank. Nag-decision siya na hindi na lang pupunta doon sa Aries kasi nag-promise siya sa mother niya bago namatay na siya ang mag-aalaga sa mga kapatid niya. So the main idea of this short story by James Joyce is Evelyn wants a better life, but it's too afraid to leave what she knows. So she stays even if it means staying unhappy. Si Eveline, kahit malungkot at madilim yung pamumuhay nila sa kanila, pinili niya pa rin na magstay doon kahit unhappy na siya. Kasi yung pangako niya sa nanay niya bago namatay ay siyang mag-aalaga sa mga kapatid niya. Thank you.